You're operating your hard disk drives in a redundant array, so-called RAID. That's a good idea. You are prepared against disk failures and you can continue to operate with your valuable data, even in case of a drive failure. But for this unlikely case of a drive failure, be prepared. If a drive fails, you need a replacement drives. Ideally, you have a replacement drives on stock. The same type, same manufacturer, the same capacity of your original RAID drives. In case you don't have, please acquire one as quick as you can, because your data is vulnerable operating on one failed drive. If you cannot acquire the same type of drives, there is some flexibility. You can use different drives, you can use higher capacity. Some specific drives you cannot use. For more details, please check the white paper in the Toshiba Technology Center. Here we did some evaluations, which type of replacement drives you can use and which you can't. Thank you.